What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another Pop Culture Gamers video. And today we have another unboxing, and this one is quite a nice little item if you're looking for a webcam, because it's a Insta360 Link 2C camera. Now, you may have come across Insta360 before. They are a company who produce a lot of action cams, and they also have a very good gimbal that you can get for your camera as well. This is their camera for using as a webcam, and it is a very high quality 4K webcam. This is sort of like the new kid on the block, which is really sort of taking a lot of people by surprise about how good the quality of this is. There are two versions of this. This is the Link 2C. There is, for another $50 more, there is the Insta360 Link 2, which has this camera gimbaled. However, where I am, I'm not going to be walking around and that sort of thing, so I don't need to have it following me. So I'm just quite happy with this version, and to be honest, saving myself a little bit of money. But you can create some really stunning looking videos with this as well. So let's have a look, shall we, in terms of, let's get in the box. So this is covered with plastic. So as we can see, this comes with a couple of things. It obviously comes with an adapter for the USB and a USB-C. It comes with obviously instructions and all of that, and the stand for it to go on. So the box, you know, it's a nice unboxing sort of experience. The box is really high quality. And here is the camera, and that's it. That is a 4K camera, ladies and gentlemen. Can you actually believe it? This is a touch sensitive area, so I believe. There's no thread hole here to fit it to any form of cold shoe. However, there is on this base. This base is actually magnetic, so we can clip it on, and that's a very, very firm magnetic seal there as well. So let's just take this off. There is the camera. What I do like about this one, which isn't actually on its more expensive brother, is the fact that there is a privacy filter as well built into it. It's just a very simple flap to go over. I do like that effect as well for the privacy filter. It looks very funky sci-fi. We've got a good microphone at the top of this as well, and this base, I mean, this is like, if this fell on your head from a first floor window, it's gonna hurt. It's quite heavy, quite surprisingly heavy, in a matter of fact. Here we have the stand for the webcam. So it's a standard sort of fitting one, so we pop it on there, and then you can hook it on the top of your monitor like so, and it's got a good sort of range, and you can tilt it downwards if you want to, or you can have it flat and you can mount it on a tripod, and sort of like, you know, or just use it flat like so. It doesn't really matter which way that you want to do it, it'll do both. In here, let's see what else we've got in here. We've got nice little Insta360 stickers. We've got the manual. Yeah, let's not bother with that. We've got yet more stickers and a warranty card. So, okay, let's get those back out of the way, because probably things I'm never going to use. We then have, this is where they're starting to go down the Apple route, because this looks very much like the cable that I got with my Mac Mini, which I've now made that my main PC for working with, just simply because it's a lot cheaper to run than an actual PC. But there's the cable. We've got a USB A adapter to a USB-C in there. That doesn't come out anymore. That is basically it. So that's everything that's actually in the box. So, as I said, this has got a 4K camera on it. Unfortunately, the one thing is, though, it doesn't have one this way, because the gimbal version allows you to stand the camera upright. You can tilt it in the gimbal, whereas this doesn't have it. And also, you can't really attach it to the to this microphone at the top, because if you do, it doesn't stick. Whereas if you do it the right way around, that's stuck. So all we need to do is just literally plug that end in, plug the other end in, and hopefully it'll recognize it as a webcam straight off. But if it doesn't, then we'll just download the appropriate software for it. Okay everyone, so this is me screen recording my actual software for the Insta360 Link 2C. So this has its own special software with it. It has lots of different features. Obviously this camera does do 4K. I'm only outputting onto a 1080p monitor, so it's not going to maybe be the highest quality in terms of this recording, because it's recording the screen at a lower resolution. However, this is a software that comes with it, so we have lots of things and some really neat things in here. We have things like, this is just focusing on head, and if I move about, I think it auto focuses, if I remember rightly, maybe not. We've got half body, so it'll probably try and zoom out if it was seeing me properly, and then whole body as well, but it's not doing anything at the moment because I'm so large on screen. We have different exposures, so we can make it brighter, make it darker, however that we want to do that. We can do manual white balancing or auto white balance as well, and auto focus. So if we were doing a manual focus, as you can see, we can make things different sort of effects there. For some reason, and I've not quite figured out why, the backgrounds don't seem to do anything. They don't work for me at all, so I can't put on a bokeh or anything like that. But ironically, some of the other effects do. So at the moment, none of those work. Makeup is not supported in 4K. So then we have filters as well, and then we have more. And this is where it gets really interesting, because we have a voice suppression mode, which suppresses people in the background. We have voice focus, which is reduces background noise and that it makes your voice clearer. And then also got music balance. So on this mode, the noise cancellation is there to preserve the original audio. We've also got other settings. And then we have compatibility settings as well. But this is a sort of standard that you're going to expect from this as a camera. And what I do like as well is the hand gesture modes, so I can go and it auto focuses. We can do whiteboard. So now it's looking for a whiteboard, which I don't have. It will decide to stop in a minute. There we go. And then we have zoom. Try this way. Obviously zoom doesn't work. Go back onto there. So it does. Zoom does work. There we go. It does work in the end. So there's a lot to this camera. It's a very interesting bit of tech. So back over to pre-recorded me. Alright, so hope you've enjoyed that video which showed you the quality of the webcam. As I said, it's an absolutely fantastic little machine. Is this? It's such high quality as well. Everything is really, really well made. It's definitely the type of kit that if you can afford it, you want in your arsenal. Certainly would be really beneficial for any YouTubers, stuff like that. And it proves you don't need these expensive digital SLRs or mirrorless cameras. You can get away with one of these. As I said, it's got hand gestures and stuff like that, so you can zoom in and zoom out. You can track your focus, that sort of thing. It's a really good camera with a good bit of AI. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget you can give us a like, and also please click that subscribe button and the bell button to be notified of when we have new videos up. If you've used one of these before, let us know what have you found about it. Has it been good for you? Is it the type of thing you would recommend? I've used the DJI cameras in terms of the Insta360 One RS action camera and the 360-degree adapter for that, and the quality of those images has been absolutely superb. No complaints at all about that as a camera. What about you? Do you find it similar? If you haven't got this, what do you use as a webcam? Just stick your comments down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.